Good morning, Shubhodaya. Ellarigu namaskara. Welcome back to an all new video. So, by the title in this video, it is a very informative video. Those who are keen about how much it would cost to service a superbike. So, today we are going to take the Supersport up for service. For this bike, no, you have to get V power because that is the best available. Even though this also is E20, but this is the best available. V power full.
For petrol full sir zero
ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಗನ್ ತಾಕ್ಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್? 140 ರುಪೀಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 140 ರುಪೀಸ್. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಈ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸೋದು? ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ 140 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ಸಾಕು 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 ಸಾಕು. Filling up the fuel. So as I was telling, this video is going to be interesting for a lot of people, those who want to know how expensive it is to maintain a super bike. So right now there is no major work to be done on the bike. It's just an annual maintenance that we are going to get done. So as far as I know, what and all is going to be covered is oil change, oil filter change. They're going to check the air filter, brake bleeding and torquing up of all the screws and checking whether everything is right or not. So we'll see how much the bill is going to be. We are taking the bike to VFM Ducati or Ducati Bangalore. Before, no, there was two Ducati dealerships in Bangalore, one VST and one VFM. So my usual one was VST, where I used to take the bike and get it serviced. Because there was a technician, I would not like to take the name for obvious reasons. He's an amazing guy, knew what he was going to do, and then all of a sudden one day it closed overnight, the service center. We had no idea. There was a lot of fuckers in the group, the Ducati group, saying how can they do this, how can they do that, and there's a lot of trust is not there in the new dealer because apparently they have messed up one or two bikes. It's all told stories, nothing that I know of actually. So today we are going to come to know a lot of things, how the service is, etc. So day before yesterday I called them up and I was like, I have to get the annual maintenance done, and I told them that I'm coming from a far off place. So they are like, sir, no worries, we'll give you a day, get it in the morning as soon as we open, and we will figure it out. So they booked my service. They created a WhatsApp group with the general manager, service advisor, CRE and all. So it's nice. So that initial trust is there, but I will keep you guys posted as and how it goes. So the weather is so cloudy today. I just hope that it does not rain. So the VFM Ducati is in Richmond Road. I'll have to use maps. So once I reach almost towards Yelahanka or Hebbal, I will start using the maps. The time right now is 8:27. Let's see what time we reach. We'll have to reach there by 9:30 is what they have told, but we'll see. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ you can't tell that this time traffic is there, this time traffic is not there. Every time, all the time there is traffic. So I was telling you about the old Ducati, no? This is the old Ducati. Both the showroom and the service center closed down. Now I had to stop here What a coincidence. I started the camera to vlog since I entered the city, but then the mic had turned off because the battery was gone, since it's always on once I'm wearing it. So I had to keep one mic inside and put the other outside. So then I was thinking, oh, what a coincidence. Then I thought I'll show you guys. Now I am near Makery Circle, Windsor Bridge. So another 15-20 minutes. Look at the traffic, guys. What is the time now? I'll tell you the time. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಆಹಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸವ್ರಪ್ಪ ಕಾರ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. All ministers' house that you see here on the left hand side, the government allotted houses for different ministers. This is the governor's house on my right hand side. ಏನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿತಾನಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರೋ ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. Yeah, I think we're almost reaching. Another 2 to 3 more minutes. The time now is 9 o'clock, so around 40 to 45 minutes to reach. We take a right and then the service center is on the left. VFM Ducati or Ducati Bangalore. Then yes, Ducati Bangalore, thank God. Good morning.
Sir, showroom opening time 9.
No, service.
Huh?
Service.
Yeah, service opening time
9:30.
Yes, sir, I am technician.
Ah.
Is coming.
Okay.
Can you read the cabin?
Sure.
First floor.
Yeah.
You know the.
I know. You guys call me, no?
Sorry?
You will call me once he's here?
Yeah, they will come and call.
Thank you. The bike will be here? Okay, as I told, the service is opening at 9:30. He is a technician here. He told they'll come and call me once it's ready. So let's go and wait. So this is the Ducati showroom. For instance, let's check 29,367. ಇದು this is one. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Then these are some accessories. Look at this, so cute. Okay, nice, cool. I will see you in some time. Still waiting, guys. It's 9:15, 15 more minutes. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಐಸ್, ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 40% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್. Quality comes at a price. So all these stocks that you see, it's for 40% off. There is upstairs as well. Let's go check out what is there upstairs. So here, right, MotoGP screening and all happens for Ducati owners. So you can register and come. So this is upstairs. All the bikes are parked. That is the big screen where the screening happens. This is like a coffee bar. I'm not sure that's free or priced, but there is a TV setup. This is the new Ducati 450 Desmo MX, the dirt bike. This is the multi. This is the Multistrada V4S. This is the one I have, the Supersport. This is like a touring in a fair edition kind of a thing, if at all that makes sense. This is the Street Fighter V4S. This also I like too much, guys. Too good a bike. This is the Scrambler. This is the Monster. So this was Ducati showroom. Pretty cool. It's a Ducati exclusive showroom in Bangalore. Pretty big, and they have all the bikes, all the jackets, everything in stock. So thumbs up. Let's see how the service is done. That is the primary agenda. 9:30, few more minutes, and I'll show you everything if possible. Obviously they won't allow me to shoot or even see also, for that matter, I guess, get my see my bike getting serviced, but whatever I can, I will. So they have a pre-owned section as well, the Ducati approved certified pre-owned bikes. I think this is one of the pre-owned bikes. So you're Balaji, right?
Yes, sir. You called me for the general oil service, right?
Yes, annual periodic service. So what at all are you going to do?
Oil filter I will check, and then I will check the brake pad.
Oil filter change, right?
Yes, oil filter
change.
replace. Then chain adjustment. I need to be check the clutch. Clutch. I need to be check this brake oil.
Brake bleeding, because this is a little loose.
Yes, sir. And the air filter. Oh, okay.
Brake bleeding is required, no?
Brake compulsory request. Here, and the air filter need to be clean. And normal general checkup and the punching, radial service need to be removed. I will do it, sir.
Okay. I'll be waiting, I hope.
Don't do it. This gap action will take 4 to 5.
No, I'll take it.
Thank you, sir. I'll open the job card.
Yes.
Because the name and details should be.
Sure.
Please, sir.
No worries. So how much is going to be the approx price?
Approx price, oil filter, labor, maybe air filter including means around 14 to 15. Not sure, just for estimation.
Got it. Brake bleeding is included?
Included.
Where are you from, Balaji?
I'm from Tamil Nadu, sir. Actually.
How many years has it been?
Sir?
ये गाड़ी कब गया था?
ये कल आ गया. Sorry.
How many years has it been in Ducati?
Actually, I'm working in Dubai 5 years before. Early years of motors. So Suzuki and Yamaha both they take care. After that, R in Suzuki, I work in Suzuki.
Okay.
So as a big bikes only. Now I joined 1.5 years before.
Oh, nice.
Coming first time, sir, here?
VFM first time.
Somewhere I see you, sir.
I think we met on that Ducati when with DOC this thing we met. So you allow for us to see the bikes getting serviced or no?
No, actually, your camera is there. You can see the camera. That's actually not allowed in the service area.
Because VST it was different.
Again, the camera is there. 4 bays or 4 camera is there. If you want on the bay, I will inform you, sir. You can check in the camera. Any complaints, sir? Nothing, right?
No, that brake bleeding.
That is all.
By checking the odometer and all the details and they're inputting it here. Which oil will be using, Balaji?
Actually, we are using Shell 15W50, sir. It's a Ducati recommended oil.
Any better ones there or?
We are recommended Ducati. As per the Ducati, every 5 years need to be replaced a timing belt. That is a belt material, right? So even 0 kilometer, we are recommending to change the timing belt. So I will just check the history. If they change or what, I don't know. If it's not there means I will prefer to change the timing belts.
Hmm.
So any other complaint, sir?
No.
That also jet tighten, clutch adjustment, brake bleeding, and anyway, thought of service, air filter, brake, everything will come. I will update you, sir. Air filter. Done, sir.
Yeah. So where can I see that camera?
It's upside.
Upstairs.
Cafe is there.
Ah,
You can
ah.
see that this is a big screen will be
Okay.
there. You can see from camera, but
Okay.
it will take time because wash. Then only I will take it up. One by one you can see from there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
1 minute, sir. I will take a signature.
Yeah.
This is the complaints. Okay. Here, sir. And you have to oil service, then order please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Done, given the bike for service. Let's see how much is the bill going to be. He said approximately it will be 15 to 20,000. Let's see. Now let's go and wait. It's going to take some time. I don't know what I'm going to do in the meanwhile. I asked him if I can see my bike getting serviced. He told company policy will not allow, but there is a camera through which I can see my bike getting serviced. So I'll show you that as well. So if you can see, let me zoom in a bit. See, this is the waiting launch, and here you can see 4 bays. There are 4 bays and 4 bikes getting serviced. So that's how we also can see our bike getting serviced.